Hello learners, in this lecture we will study Gauss elimination method and compound interest. Carl Friedrich Gauss. John Carl Friedrich Gauss was a German mathematician and physicist who made significant contributions to many fields in mathematics and science. This method is used to solve a system of linear equations by finding the value for the unknown factors to verify all the equations that make up the system. What is Gauss elimination method? It is also known as the row reduction algorithm for solving linear equation systems. It consists of a sequence of operations performed on the corresponding matrix of coefficients. To perform row reduction, we have to complete a sequence of elementary row operations to transform the matrix till we get zeros on the lower left-hand corner of the matrix as much as possible. That means that the obtained matrix should be an upper triangular matrix. There are three types of elementary row operations. They are swapping two rows, multiplying a row by a non-zero number, adding a multiple of one row to another row. The obtained matrix will be in row echelon form. The matrix is said to be in reduced row echelon form when all the leading coefficients are equal to 1 and every column containing a leading coefficient has zeros elsewhere. This final form is independent of the sequence of row operations used. We can understand this in a better way with the help of an example given below. Solve the following system of equations. X plus y plus z is equal to 2. X plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 5. 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 11. Solution. First write these equations in matrix form. Subtract R1 from R2 to get the new elements of R2. From this we get, let us make another operation as R3 minus 2R1. Subtract R2 from R1 to get the new elements of R1. Now subtract R2 from R3 to get the new elements of R3. From this matrix, x minus z is equal to minus 1, y plus 2z is equal to 3, 0 is equal to 4. That means there is no solution for the given system of equations. Now we will learn about compound interest. Compound interest is the interest calculated on the principal and the interest accumulated over the previous period. It is different from simple interest, where interest is not added to the principal while calculating the interest during the next period. Compound interest finds its uses in most of the transactions in the banking and finance sectors and other areas. The compound interest formula is given below. Compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Here, the amount is given by A is equal to P into 1 plus R divided by N raised to power Nt, where A is equal to amount, P is equal to principal, R is equal to rate of interest, N is equal to number of times interest is compounded per year, T is equal to time in years. This was a general formula, but if the interest is compounded annually, the amount is given as A is equal to P into 1 plus R divided by 100 raised to the power small t. We can understand compound interest better by solving this example. Calculate the compound interest for a $1,000 investment under the following conditions. Interest rate is 5%. Investment period is 10 years. Compounding is monthly. Solution. Use the compound interest formula and assign values to the variables. P is the principal, R is the interest rate, N is the number of compounding periods, and T is the investment period. In this lecture, we studied Gauss elimination method and compound interest. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.